In this video, I'll show you how to make a welcome channel on Discord Mobile. The first thing you're going to want to do is come over to your search browser and come to this website called top.gg, and in the search bar, search for the Dinobot, which is this one. We'll invite it to our server. That's going to redirect us to Discord and ask you to choose a server that you want to add it to. Select your server and press continue, and then grant it the relevant permissions and press authorize. After that, it's going to load the Dino settings, and you want to scroll down and come to the welcome channel and make sure that you have it enabled. Once it's enabled, press on settings just below the welcome, and then here it's going to ask you for your message type. So you want to have message selected, and then the welcome channel, so we'll choose to have it on the announcement channel, and then you come down to your message. So in order to create the welcome message, you need to use the variables box. So for example, if you want the message to copy the person's username, you would come down and copy username and scroll up to the message section and then type your welcome message. Once you've typed the message, you want to paste in the variable. So the welcome message will say welcome to my server, and then it will grab the person's username and then press update. So now when someone joins your server, they will see the welcome message.